You recording?
Yes, I am.
This is the new Bambu P2S unboxing. David's on the camera to make it interesting, right, David?
Of course.
All right, I'm using my hacksmith blade to get it out.
Good old hacksmith blade.
Yeah, the good old hacksmith blade. I feel like it could do so much more, but you use the knife that you got, right?
Of course.
Yeah.
It's a good knife, too.
It's a sweet, sweet knife. What color's yours?
Green, I think.
Sweet.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. It's a box in a box.
Boxity box. Ka-chow. Kaboom. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
What does
thing.
it say? Oh, look at that. Look at that. P2S. You're too close.
Well, it's a focus.
Well, on the small screen, it's in focus. On the big screen, it's not.
Oh.
Because it compresses pixels. So you have to stay back just a little bit. But
Good
good job on doing that.
Thank you, thank you.
P2S. Look at that.
Nice,
Looks
nice.
great.
Look at that, look at
Well,
that.
let's get this out of the box then.
Let's do it.
This is the brand new P2S, the new consumer offering of Bambu Lab, I guess. I don't know what they're doing. Hopefully it's not another box in a box. It is not.
It's not.
Inside, we have disclaimer and safety guidelines.
That was a good toss.
Extra. Oh yeah, look inside. Here, hey, there you go. What's in there?
There we go. It's a box.
It is a box.
Box in a box.
Box in a box.
In a box.
So this is going to be the toolkit that's going to help me assemble it. This is a piece of cardboard to hold things in place. We got some styrofoam.
Good toss. Good tosses, I should say.
This is the... Okay, ready? So there's these plastic handles, and it allows you to pick it up. So what I'm going to do is do that.
Woo.
And I can do that. So anything left in the box? There is not.
No.
Just put that
Tossing off to the side.
nice box.
Boxy box.
Lift up.
Yes. Look at that. It even says Bambu Labs right there.
Sure does. It's because they sent it to me. Look at that.
Fancy
Cool.
stuff.
Fancy. Fancy. Oh, and it's got two Inzies, and it's got a thingy, and all right. So let's see. Let's get some of this tape off. This is the tape that's going to hold the top glass. And then I can just set this aside. And then there's tape on the front.
Front side tape.
Front side tape. That's right.
Some strong tape.
Strong.
Shrunk.
It's good tape.
It's good tape.
It's good tape. There you go. So it just protects the door. Oh, the door's got some sticky on it. I don't know what that's from, but
Probably something awesome.
could be. Let's see. Okay. Accessory box. Oh, accessory box.
Accessory box.
So usually what happens inside these machines, they put the AMS unit. You see that? It's standard packing. Standard packing. That's what they do. But I did notice there's tape here.
On the other side.
Yeah, on the underside. I'm going to take it off. What
Mmm.
do you think?
I like that idea. Professional over here.
I don't think we need it. Probably just for shipping or whatever.
Yeah. Got some more tape on this side.
Is there?
Yes, there
Oh,
is.
look at that. Thanks for the heads up.
All sealed up.
I appreciate that heads up.
Of course.
This is going to be held in with screws, if I remember right. Haha!
Ah.
Yeah, see? These screws. And usually the things to undo them right here. So, no, it's not.
Oh, it's not that one.
It's not that one. It might be the other one.
Is it that one?
Maybe. Yes.
Awesome pants.
Yeah, pants made of awesome. Comes with an AMS2 Pro. Look at that. It's handy dandy. Very pro. Let's see. Am I able to move that yet? No.
No, there we go.
Let's see. There we go. On this one.
Ah, there we go.
Look at that.
Gotcha.
Just like that.
Kabam.
Now we got to take off the screws for this thing. There should be 4 of them. Oh yeah, here. Can you see?
There we go.
There you go. Use the joystick if you need to move it.
Oh,
you know?
that's right. I can't see the screen. Oh, yes,
Yeah. You
yes.
see, there's those screws in there.
Any screws?
I'll get there.
We're locked in out here.
I'll get there. Oh yeah, come on here.
Yes, yes.
Very strategic styrofoam.
That's always good.
Where the heck is that one? Ah, there we go.
What the farts?
I probably could take that out later, but I took it out right now. Also, look at this. It says remove. That's cool. It looks like it's to hold the lead screws in place. That's kind of
neat.
nifty. Oh,
Nifty
you know what?
swifty.
With the styrofoam together, I bet it held the lead screws in place. Comes with a build plate. I'm just gonna take it out so I don't mar it. And then there are screws that hold this plate down. Oh, don't eat that. Okay. Is it just one in the back? Have they simplified this? That would be amazing. Always iterating, you know?
Yeah.
Anytime there's less screws to take out, it's good.
Muy bueno.
Did you say a Spanish word with an Australian accent?
Muy bueno.
Muy bueno.
Oh, muy bueno.
Okay. I don't see any others. Undo. Like, I think it was just that one. That's fantastic. Let's see. I need.
Still figuring out how to work this camera.
It's part of the fun part.
Yes.
It's like I could just get my snips, but why would I want to do something easy?
Yeah, exactly.
That's magnetic. Oh, it's got the same kind of hot end as the H series cable chain. Kind of flimsy. Oh, well, I guess it's time to put the screen on and maybe turn it on. I know. So within the accessories, there's the screen. So the previous P1S, I'm not sure if you know this, David. The previous one, that one, it's got a potato for a screen.
A potato.
Yeah,
Potato.
It's a potato for a screen.
Potato.
This one has a screen similar to the more expensive X1 Carbon, which was the original machine that Bambu Lab launched via Kickstarter long ago.
Is this screen not a potato?
This screen is not a potato.
Nice. It's always good.
It is always good. Screen in.
Woo!
Just like that. Let's get the power cord. Yeah, that's the cord for that thing. Did you see that?
Oh my gosh.
I did not expect that. Let's get the extra spool holder. No one uses that. That is a short power cable. That is a short power cable. I am distraught. Seriously, that is terrible. Come on. Come on. David, will you plug it in for me over there?
Of course.
Aren't you going to video you plugging it in? Jeez, man. People aren't going to know that it's being plugged in.
It's being plugged in, guys.
I'm going to have to go on Facebook and mark myself safe from not knowing or knowing if it was plugged in. All right, I'm going to turn it on. Ready?
I'm ready. Got to see the screen light up, right?
That's the goal.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes.
Babe, oh, look at it bright.
Ooh.
Look at those lights.
Look at that thing light up.
Look at that. It's Christmas.
Just throwing things everywhere, I see.
I'm going to close this before I cut myself.
That's probably a good idea. This nice hacksmith blade.
Yeah.
Smith blade.
The Smith blade, it landed not on the blade when I accidentally dropped it.
That's a very good thing.
I know, James would be very, very proud of me for breaking the hacksmith rule.
Yeah.
Did you know the hacksmith blade on Kickstarter made like $10 bajillion?
Really?
Yeah.
That's sick. I mean, it's a really good knife.
Look at that, this plate's new. So usually
brand
on Bambu
spanking
Lab,
new.
look at that. It's got a little QR code on the plate.
Oh, look at that
I'm not
thing.
used to that. Got a nice metal backing. All right, English, North America.
We do speak English, and we are from North America.
Yeah. Sometimes I speak Spanish or German
Espanol.
or Czech.
I don't know how to say any of those languages.
That's all right. There we go.
Yes. Oh, gotta show the screen.
Those are all my Wi-Fi networks. So I don't want to show those.
Oh, my bad.
That's okay. I don't remember the password though, so I have to look it up.
Oh, locked in.
Yeah, stand by. Stand by drive-through.
Stand by.
Ah, okay. There we go.
Nice
Connecting to the
3D printer.
Wi-Fi.
The Wi-Fi.
The Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
Oh, I can log in with the Bambu Handy app. Sweet.
Oh,
Okay.
sweet.
Yeah, that makes it handy.
Handy dandy.
Do. Binding right now. Look at that. I'm logging in. That's the way you do it.
Fancy stuff.
It picks up the Wi-Fi, you scan it with the app, you're added, and you're logged in, and it's fantastic. To remove all of the screws marked in red. Okay. I believe I did all the screws in red. Like it's... I'm scared, because usually there's more, but... Okay. Oh.
What a fun sound.
David, what should I name this printer?
Awesome sauce.
I was thinking Fernando.
I like that so much better.
Okay, but if not Fernando, we'll pick a name other than Fernando. What should be the printer's middle name?
Fernandez.
Fernando Fernandez.
Fernando Fernandez.
Fernando Fernandez.
I like that.
Cool.
What a wonderful name.
I officially have here. Look at the top screen right there. Fernando Fernandez.
Fernando Fernandez. Look at that. That's awesome.
Oh, now I can take this out.
Oh, there we go.
Auto bed leveling. Sweet. Phase 1.
Sweet.
Yeah. This will take some time. Once calibration's done, we'll resume and get the first print started. There we go. Yeah. Let's load in the, I've got some yellow.
Well, that's a nice yellow.
It's a good yellow. Yeah,
It's a very good yellow.
it's a little bendy. I'm going to take off a little bit. Let's see if I can do this. Kind of take some of the bend out of there.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. Let's load it in. It should recognize. It's going to take it. And this should tell us it is PLA Basic. It's got a little RFID tag in there. It is. Yay! It is yellow PLA.
Oh, wow. That's really cool.
You all right there?
Oh, it's freaking out.
Goodness,
It's freaking out.
yes.
Oh, that was nice.
Did it work? Okay, we're in a good spot. Good job, us.
Woo!
So if I go to print files, there should be a Benchy, along with a number of other things. Cool. What do you say? What do you say we print a little boat?
I like that. Yeah, let's do it.
Let's see. Textured PI, 0.4 standard. Do a time lapse. What's in advanced? Auto bed leveling, flow dynamic. Cool. I'm just gonna full send. Ready?
Full send.
Oh, now full send. Okay.
Oh. Full send.
Just thinking about it.
Oh, there we go. There we go. It's fun noise.
It's cooling the chamber, it says. That's funsies.
Funsies.
All right. Well, this is gonna go, and then when it's done, we'll have a Benchy. It's time to go home now.
Yes.